Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place: JDK, Android Studio, and at least one test target. Install JDK 11 or 17 because Android Studio relies on it. Once done, verify Java version. Then download Android Studio and accept the default SDK and platform tools to avoid missing pieces. Make sure to enable developer options on a physical device or create an AVD. This gets you testing fast, so you can iterate while learning actual app behavior. You now build habit around the core workflow. Create a new project from a basic activity template and run it. Understand Gradle, sync, build variants, and where dependencies live so you can fix version conflicts quickly. Use the IDE tools, Logcat to read runtime output, the debugger to step through code, and Layout Inspector to verify UI rendering. Once you practice these, you reduce guesswork and speed up iteration, because you can pinpoint failures instead of guessing what went wrong. You finish by preparing a stable build, refactor for clarity, add unit and instrumentation tests, and verify on multiple API levels. Optimize by checking ProGuard or R8 rules and testing release builds on an emulator or device. If something breaks, follow one key troubleshooting step. Clean the project, invalidate caches, and restart Android Studio. Then rebuild and run Gradle with StackTrace to see detailed errors. This approach gets you from learning to shipping with confidence and repeatable fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.